I'm guessing you never made money with CPA marketing. But let me ask you a question. Did you ever offer something really valuable to those people in order for them to submit their email or to fulfill the survey? I'm guessing you didn't. And today I'm going to show you where you can find something really valuable that you can offer to those people. And also I'm going to show you how you can create CPA grip content locker. And also I'm going to show you where you can find people who really need what you have to offer them. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find something valuable that you will offer to those people. Now, one of the best things that you can offer is a course. So what you can do is you can come to a website called Udemy. And here you can find there is lots and lots of courses, really good courses. And you can find courses here about everything. Programming, cooking, workout, whatever you want. You can find courses here. And you will say, well, I can find free courses on YouTube. That is 100% correct. But free courses are free courses. Here you can find paid courses, and paid courses are still better than free courses, right? But you need to offer something for free to these people. And what you can do is you can actually go on a website called discudemy.com, and here you can find coupons that will give you a free courses, free Udemy courses. So here, for example, when you scroll here you can search courses by keyword. Also, when you go back here, you can search by all coupons, by category, or by the language. Now, I'm guessing that most of the times you will use English language. And here you can see most used 15 coupons in the last 5 days. Here you can see these are the most popular free courses here on the discudemy.com. So what you need to do next, you actually need to find one of these coupons for free courses. For example, here you can see SAP BI. Now, SAP is really good business software, and many big companies, they use this software, and many people wish to learn this software. But this is a paid course, and you can offer this course 100% free to these people, and they will actually do whatever it takes to get this course 100% free. So next thing you need to do, you need to create a content locker. So you need to go on CPA grip, and you need to create a new URL locker. Scroll here, agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now you need to create a content locker. So what you need to do, you need to go here on Disc Udemy and then click here. And then when you scroll here you can see this course actually costs $44 if you wish to go regularly, if you wish to go on udemy.com. But here you can get this course totally free. And this is really important because these are coupon codes. They expire. So pay attention when these coupon codes are actually expiring and replace them with some other coupon code. And like I said, here you can see this is the free course. So when you click here, take a course, close this ad, it will actually take you to this page here. And when you click here on this link, you will be able to get this course 100% free. So what you need to do, you need to copy this link here, Control C, go back here on CPA grip, and here where it says locked URL, here you need to paste that link, okay? And what I would suggest you is to actually go here on templates and choose this template here, human verification. This template gave me the best results because people are used to on the human verification thing, okay? They see that everywhere and they will think this is just another human verification, okay? And they will fulfill the survey without even thinking because they really need this course, SAP course, okay? Now you can edit these things here, but you don't really need to do that. But like I said, you can edit if you want. After you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on save, and that's it. You created your URL locker. Then click here on get links, click here copy link, and now you need to create a bridge page because many big companies, many big websites, they actually don't like CPA marketing. So you need to go, for example, on Google Sites and you need to create a content locker here. Here you can actually offer 5, 10, 15, 20 different Udemy courses totally free, and you can in that way make even more money. Now I will not show you how to create these bridge pages in Google Sites because I already showed you that many times, and I don't want to use your time showing you the same thing. Now next thing you need to do, you need to start promoting this Google site, your bridge page where you are actually promoting Content Locker from your CPA affiliate network. Now for that we are actually going to use Reddit. So when you come here on Reddit and when you search here, for example, learn SAP, okay, learn SAP, and press enter, and here you can see, did you all learn SAP mostly on your job? How to learn SAP is for entry-level job. Here you can see people are actually looking for ways to learn SAP. So what you need to do, you need to open these pages here, these posts here on Reddit, and you need to link back to your Google site. Now, but be careful, because Reddit doesn't like spamming. So you have to be really smart how you format your answer, your comment. So here you can see how this guy here did that. You need to do exactly the same thing. You need to leave your comment just like this guy here. And then you leave in that comment providing value. You need to link back to your Google Bridge page, your Google site, where you actually promote your CPA content locker. That is really, really important. But like I said, these people here, they are targeted free traffic because they are looking for ways to learn SAP, in this case SAP, and you are offering them way to learn that totally free. All they have to do is just fulfill some survey, and they will be able to learn this software totally free. And after you comment on this post here, just go back here and find more questions, more people who actually ask how to learn SAP in this case, and then simply in comments, like I said, be smart, and in comments leave a link to your Google site. And then what you can do is you can simply go back here on Disc Udemy and go back here and then find more of these free courses, more courses that you can offer for free because they have 100% discount coupon codes. Here you can see these are top 15, but you can also go here by category and you can find more. For example, let me just find one of these courses. For example, Android. You can actually offer Android courses totally free. These courses are paid. You can see this course costs $44. So you can just find some more expensive courses. Okay, there are no expensive courses here, so just go back here and just find more courses. For example, when I go here on PHP, let's just see, $59 this course costs, but you will actually get it totally free. And also, like I said, you can offer these courses totally free to make money with CPA marketing, but also you can use this to learn some new skills totally free. As you can see, these courses are paid, but you can get them for free by using this website. And like I said, in this way, you can make money with CPA marketing, with CPA Grip Content Locker, and free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.